Alright, I don't know where I left off from the other video, but it's a couple days later. And I've been cleaning, as you can see. But that bolt I was talking about, oh, about fell. I didn't get, I was looking for to get that one out. Didn't get out, but I got this other one out. So I could get to the shock bolt right there, which is the one I wanted to get to. But from moving this, it's moving smooth, and the bolt that came out of it was actually greased up like more than what I thought it would be. But yeah, it's raining. Sad day, but please do not mind the mess. Like, it's just messy right now. I'll clean it later, but. And I got some new tools. Got me a little air tank thing. Majigger. Air compressor. Yeah. And I got an impact and this thing and some more stuff, but I'm gonna have to get a new one or oil it or something. It's not really working. Yeah, and I took the brakes off. I've been cleaning these. Brakes off, took the little slider thing that the brake goes on off. Took the frame guard off. Obviously the wheels off is right there. We got a torque wrench for when I need it. I'm gonna put stuff back together. But I'll watch it on YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna try to start putting music in my videos, but it's hard. Alright, can't see from this side, and I don't really have good lighting right now. Oops. But yeah, these bearings are shot. I took the seal out already, but that's not gonna work. I'm gonna get a torch thing, and I'm gonna heat it up and like try to pound it through the other side. But other than that, that's what I've been doing. But now that I got that bolt out, which is like a couple seconds ago, I'm gonna take the shock off. I don't know if I should record that or just do it, but I'll figure it out in a couple minutes. I already got the bolts out, so it should just slide right out. Oh man, kind of heavy. I'm gonna clean up all this stuff. Bring it up to the workbench. Once again, sorry for the bad lighting. I don't even know if this really is Pro Action suspension or if they just stuck the sticker on there, which most likely is just going to come off anyway. But yeah, this is all dirty. Oh, this is dirty. Probably just going to take the little things off, like slide them all the way up. And take the retaining clip out and just slide it off and clean it from there. having some problems, so I'm gonna just stop it and get back when I get it off. Alright, got it out. Finally. Yes. Here is the little pin that sits right here in this dirty groove. Right there. And this pushes against the pin to keep the spring from coming out. For whoever didn't know, whoever watches my videos. But right out here's this ugly thing. Might just clean it. Most likely I'm not painting it, because when you paint stuff like that, it just starts to chip slowly. But isn't this cool? You got the shock right here. Definitely can't compress it. Oh, here you can. The rebound's good though. See, look. It comes up by itself. It turns out this is a Showa shock. There you go. RM125. That's what it says at the bottom of it. But I don't know what that's all about. With the Pro Action. But that might be all for this video, because my GoPro's about to die and it's dark out. But I'm gonna try and clean this the best way I can. Probably gonna try to get some good spray. I don't really know any, but got this shock here, got the brake and the axle bolt thing. Just a lot of crap over here. It's still raining outside. Probably don't look like it, but it's getting pretty dark. Got the bike just sitting here. Whoa. Bike just sitting here. The linkage. Well, let me see. I'm trying to see if this moves freely. Yes, it do. Well, yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. This is part 2. Should be, yeah, this is part 2. Part 3 will probably show me cleaning this, or already have it cleaned by then. Alright, y'all comment, like, subscribe, do whatever whoever's watching do. I don't know, this is cringy, but just get over it. Alright.